EDaily conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
That's good to hear.
What time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock.
Oh, I need to get ready.
Do you have work today?
Yes, I have a busy day.
What do you plan to do?
I have a meeting in the morning.
That sounds important.
Yes, it is very important.
Don't forget to eat breakfast.
You're right.
I made some food for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's start the day.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
How will you go to work?
I will take the bus.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 15 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yes, it's quite convenient.
Do you go this way every day?
Yes, this is my usual route.
The street looks busy.
Yes, many people are going to work.
Be careful on the road.
I will, don't worry.
What time does your work start?
It starts at 8.
You still have some time.
Yes, I am not late.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing well.
Are you ready for the meeting?
Yes, I prepared everything.
That's great.
I hope it goes well.
It will be fine.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Let's start the meeting soon.
Everyone is arriving now.
I feel a little nervous.
Just relax.
I will do my best.
That's the spirit.
Let's begin.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Are you free now?
Yes, it's lunchtime.
Let's go eat something.
That sounds good.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe a nearby restaurant.
I know a good place.
Great, let's go there.
What do you want to eat?
I want something light.
How about soup?
That sounds perfect.
I will order the same.
Thank you.
The food smells good.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Let's enjoy our meal.
Yes, let's eat.
This is very tasty.
I agree.
How was your day?
It was very busy.
Did your meeting go well?
Yes, it was successful.
That's great news.
I feel relieved now.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Let's go for a walk.
That's a good idea.
Fresh air will help.
Yes, I need to relax.
The evening is nice.
It feels peaceful.
Today was a good day.
Yes, it was productive.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
How do you feel now?
I feel relaxed.
That's good.
Today was a long day.
You worked very hard.
Yes, but I learned a lot.
That's important.
I will improve more.
I believe in you.
Thank you for your support.
You're always welcome.
What should we do now?
Let's have dinner together.
That sounds perfect.
Then we can rest early.
Yes, we need energy for tomorrow.
Good idea.
Good night in advance.